In social issues, do you have students in your school who experience real poverty, which reaches to the point that they don't want to listen and participate in class and have difficulty coping with the lessons? And how are you able to assess or help that student in terms of educational development or progress?
So far, in my experience in private school, wala ako'y nabagtan nga naadjud sa real poverty situations. I don't know sa other private schools, but in my experience, wala pa ko nakabagat og mga bata nga naadjud sa real poverty situation. Why? Kay almost all of them are from kuan gyud kanang unsa na siya, mga dato gyud sila. Kay anak sila og mga seaman, ilang papa seaman, anak og manager, foreigner, yang uban sa kay OFW ang parents. So most of them or all of them gyud kay naadjay kaya sa bulsa gyud. And then ang problem nila is not poverty but attitude. Kay ngano usually ilahang attitude sa balay is more on spoiled sila, they get what they want, and then igabot sa school, makamit sila different pod nga personalities sa students, and then ikahuman kay magbangga ilang mga kinaiya nga mga spoiled. So ari na ko dapat mo adjust sa attitude kung unsaon ako sila pag-manage sa school. So what I do nga makahibaw sila or matudluan sa kusag sakto is I always give them the routine of our my class management. So the advantage lang sa among school is we are in a Montessori school. It means nga ang bata is among tudluan sa everyday routine. So kung hatag ko og instruction, kahibaw na sila. So malimit ang ilahang playtime, malimit ilahang kanang attitude nga mo prevail nga sa classroom. So kung effective ang imong classroom management, so effective pod ang lesson nga imuhang ihatag sa ilaha. Kay ngani ra man na siya kung effective imong class management, hindot imuhang lesson pagka-relay, so naadjay ma-learn ang bata. Bisan pa og kanang ilang attitude ingana naa sila kuan sa ilang attitude nga dili kaayo kanang dili kay desirable.
Was there a time when you have encountered students who doesn't know how to speak Bisaya and have difficulty implementing your lesson and you're the one adjusting? How are you able to deal with it?
Okay, so in my experience as a preschool teacher for 3 years in a private school, I experienced that there are students who are having a hard time in understanding English. I also encountered students who dili sila kasabot og Bisaya pod because some of my students are foreigners, fresh from Germany, naay from England, and dili sila straight English. Some also are English speaking and some are straight Bisaya, so sagol. And then every time I encounter different students, naadjud na time na ang teacher is the one nga mo adjust. Kay it's not about the language man, it's about the lesson on how you unsaon nimo pag-relay ang lesson sa ilaha, unsaon nimo pagpasabot sa ilaha. So if the student cannot understand English, even though English speaking school me is mo adjust gid mi nga magbisaya because di man sila kasabot. And then sa na-encounter pod nako nga dili sila kasabot og English, di pod sila kasabot og Bisaya, it's more like actions na lang. And then murag clue para makaget sila sa kanang lesson. Okay.